Today I'm going to be taking my full suspension titanium mountain bike, the Carano Diamond TI that I just built up a bit ago, to the bike park to hit some jumps and test it out and have a fun time. It's a little cloudy and a little windy, and the dog and I are snuggling by the fire. I don't think you'll come to the bike park with me. But without further ado, let's get some biking in. Alright, a little bit windy out today, but we're gonna warm up on large this time since I've been getting more confident about that and see what this thing can do. Slowly work our way up. Won't get too much air on the jumps just because of the wind, but hopefully it'll still be okay. Hardtail's a little, or the full suspension's a little heavier though, so it might actually work a little better in the wind. Guess we'll see. All right, dropping in. Oh, it's windy, all right. Whew. Oh my goodness. All right, I think that footage might have been a little shaky. I have to tighten up my chesty a little bit. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Cannon time. Oh my god, this is awesome. Oh man, this thing jumps well, just as I'd expect. Feels a little squishy compared to the hardtail, of course, but not too bad. All right, time for an XL run. Woo! Oh yeah! Transfer into the cannon. Whee! Oh my god! God, I suck at hips though. Oh, it's feeling good. It is really feeling good. I was not expecting to get this good this fast on this bike. This is my second time here with the full suspension, and it's actually feeling pretty natural. I am really liking it. Woo! Alright, give them the whale tail a try. Oh my goodness! That is the scariest feature I've ever done. Oh man! Oh, that really did not go well. I am so happy I did that though. That's the first time on this bike I've cleared that. Oh, that's the second time ever in my entire life I've cleared that. That's awesome. It's definitely quite windy, makes it pretty hard, but it's not as bad as it could be. Looks like it almost might rain too. All right, take number 2 on the whale tail here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh man. That was the first time I ever tried a wall ride and it epically failed. Now you guys can see me epically fail because I'm trying new things today. Just kind of touching the waters. But this full suspension bike is doing great. It's definitely making me feel kind of confident, but not too much. Don't want to get too confident, but yeah, wall rides are definitely tough. I've never done one before. I should probably get better at berms first. Oh yeah, these are loose. Oh man, I suck at this. Woo. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. And it got too windy, so we're on our